Welcome to Fat Loss Phantom. If you are watching this video right now, then you are probably searching for the truth about how to lose belly fat. Well, you are in the right place because I will explain to you exactly how you can lose belly fat in the next few minutes. On my channel, I always release videos on how you can get in proper shape losing body fat. So if you want more informative videos like this, consider subscribing. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification when I release a new video. Also, if you want, you can click the link below or visit skyrocketmetabolism.com to get access to my 4-day video training that will teach you how to lose 10 inches of your waist without starving yourself. Great, so let's get to the content how to lose body fat. Belly fat is slowly poisoning you. This video is your antidote to that poison. First, you need to get real about dangers of belly fat because it's affecting more of us than ever before. To fight the flab around your belly, you need to understand what you are up against. Keep watching to find out about the different types of fat, the causes, and most importantly, how to lose it. Not all fat is created equal. Excess timber around the waist hurts your health in a way that subcutaneous fat, the soft layer of chub that sits directly under the skin, doesn't. Belly fat is stored in your abdominal cavity and shares space with important organs like the liver, stomach, kidneys, and intestines. Belly fat is metabolically active, which means it's basically an organ in itself and not one you would want to donate on the register. It excels at pumping out various inflammatory substances, interfering with hormones that regulate appetite, weight, mood, and brain functions, and sending your cortisol levels responsible for stress through the roof. No surprise then, it's associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. So far, so tragic. There is, however, some good news. Belly fat may be the most dangerous types of body fat, but since it's buried deep within your body, it's also the easiest to get rid of. But before we talk about that, it's worth identifying the causes of belly fat. After all, it's far better to not put the weight on in the first place. We all know that eating too much and moving too little is the foundation upon which flab is built. But there is more to the belly fat equation than calories in and calories out. Certain stressors, for example, will see you scaling your belt notches with very little effort. Here is what you should look out for. Number 1. You are eating trans fats. If antioxidants are the good guys of gut health, trans fats are the supervillain. The sneaky fats actively contribute to your bubbly waist, not just by adding new fat but by moving fat from other areas of your body to your belly. There are currently no legal requirements for food manufacturers to label trans fats, so you need to check ingredients list for hydrogenated fats and hydrogenated vegetable oils. The biggest culprits, your cheat day favorites, cakes, biscuits, ice cream, popcorn, pies, fried food, fast food, takeaways, the list goes on. Number 2, you are seriously stressed. When your cortisol levels are through the roof, it triggers the release of insulin, and this is where things go awry. Initially, the fight or flight response shut down the digestive system so you can deal with the threat like a very hungry lion, or more realistically, heavy traffic on your way to work. Once the danger has passed, your body seeks to replenish the hundreds of calories you burn fighting to the death swearing at rush hour traffic and make you ravenously hungry. Since your blood sugar levels are now super low and your reward centers are blinkered, you wind up face planting the biscuit tin rather than the fruit pot. To make matter worse, cortisol helps to release a myostatin, a protein that breaks down muscles. Number 3. You are drinking too much alcohol. Can one too many pints really earn you a beer belly? Well, yes. As you gulp down your drink, your body turns the alcohol into acetate, which your body can't store. It becomes your primary energy source, and the proteins, carbs, and fats swirling around your digestive system are converted to fat by default. Factor in the excess calories from your drinks, around 7 per gram, with the gut busting kebab you pick up on the way home, and suddenly you are looking at excess fat storage. Not only does a night on the sauce send your cortisol levels through the roof, it saps your testosterone. which means you will find it more difficult to build lean muscle and burn fat as fuel. Number 4. You have got too much of the wrong gut bacteria. Most of the bacteria that dwell in your gut are pretty useful. They produce hormones, regulate your immune system, digest foods, extract nutrients, control your mood, manage your appetite, and much more besides. That obese people tend to have higher number of Firmicutes bacteria is no coincidence. According to research published in the online journal Nature, these bacteria increase the number of calories your body absorbs from the food. According to a study of more than 1,300 twins published in the journal Genome Biology, the less diverse your gut bacteria, the more likely you are to have belly fat. Grow your gut community to shed serious timber. How to get rid of belly fat quickly and safely. If you are serious about banishing belly fat and improving your health, surviving on salad and hitting the treadmill for hours on end is a miserable way to go about it. Here is how to shift belly fat in 5 easy steps. Number 1. Hike up your metabolism. Your ultimate goal is to hike up your metabolism and the intensity of your workout, the fundamentals of your diet, how much muscles you have, how well you manage stress, and your quality of sleep all play a part in this. A faster metabolism helps burn fat, while your metabolism is predetermined by your body size, sex, and age. Increasing lean body mass, avoiding long periods of hunger, and intense periods of physical activity can aid burning. Number 2. Get your diet in check. Prioritize lean protein like beef, turkey, eggs, fish, chicken, and tofu. Limit foods high in refined carbohydrates and refined sugars like white bread, white pasta, white rice, and replace them with high fiber complex carbs like whole grains, brown rice, sweet potatoes, oats, beans, and pulses. Fill your boots with as many vegetables as possible. They are low calorie, high in micronutrients, and the fiber in them will keep you full. Snack on portion controlled fruits, seeds, and nuts. Snacking on 42-gram almonds per day help to reduce belly fat and improve cholesterol levels. The high levels of fiber are proven to combat excess calories consumptions later in the day. Following the Mediterranean diet could help to mitigate the harmful effects of belly fat on your heart. Better yet, it boosts the number of healthy bacteria in your gut levels, rise by up to 7% compared with a Western diet. It's also important to make sure you are eating regularly. Avoid very low calorie diets or crash diets. Periods of starvation can lower your metabolism and prevent you losing weight. Number 3. Up the intensity of your workout. Focus on increasing physical activity and building muscles to burn belly fat. Mild activity such as walking is poor at burning fat due to its low energy consumption, whilst intense cardio training will consume energy and increase metabolic rate after exercise. Balance your high intensity workouts with a weightlifting sessions and you are onto a winner. If you add 20 minutes of weight training to your regular cardio workout, gain less age-related belly fat than those who pounded the treadmill. Focus on compound moves like deadlifts, squats, kettlebell swings, lunges, chest presses, shoulder presses, exercises that work your entire body rather than isolating muscles. Simply put, you cannot sport reduce fat, meaning that endless crunches will do little for getting rid of your belly. For best results, split your sessions over different days. Number 4. Learn how to manage stress. You don't have to take a 3-month sabbatical in Bali or enroll on a breathing class in a Skandi Yogi retreat to find inner calm. You don't even have to meditate, though it will almost certainly help. If a few minutes of deep belly breathing in a quiet spot doesn't chill you out, try a body weight workout or taking a walk around the block. Exercise boosts your circulation, transporting cortisol to your kidneys, which flushes it out. Eating slowly will also help inch your waist too. Inhaling croissants while run walking to work will do little to satiate you, not that you will do much digesting anyway, with all the cortisol flooding to your system. Instead, by making time to eat and focusing on your food, you will wind up eating less and you will feel fuller for longer. Number 5. Get quality sleep. A study by University of Chicago found that clocking up an average 6.5 hours sleep can supercharge your cortisol levels and send levels of hunger boosting hormones whirling sky high, the perfect combination for effortless weight gain. When you are low on sleep, activity on the brain's frontal lobe is impaired. At the same time, the more primal parts of your brain that deals with things like desires and motivations are lit up like the black hole in illuminations. Inadequate sleep also wreaks havoc on your metabolism. When the body doesn't get enough rest, it conserves energy by slowing down basic functions. The combination of untamable cravings, little willpower, and inefficient processing is an open invitation for food storage. So, if you enjoyed this video today, please let me know your thoughts by commenting below. I would also appreciate some thumbs up if you got some values today. And if you love what I spoke about and want to learn more great strategies about how to lose 10 inches of your waist without starving yourself and you can get in the best shape of your life, you can check out my 4-day video training by clicking the link below or visit skyrocketmetabolism.com. Completely up to you. See you soon on the next video.